from college. I did not really have much classes today. I went to have some fresh air and meet my friends, read the book, and make notes. It's it feels very strange. I got back very early today because I did not feel like staying there. I don't know if I made mistake with making friends and stuff. They're good people, but sometimes I just don't really feel heard or understood there. I was just reading my book and making notes. The environment was fresh, it was all green, it was raining a bit, it was great, and we had talked for a while, and then I just tried to get back to my work, and the only thing they kept saying was she's time passing, and I don't know, like they are these set of people who do not really study or anything. Like I study, I go to classes, I read books, make notes. I have a life apart from just gossiping and being with them, and the best part is they are mostly men, like, and they are just gossiping all day, whatever. And I feel so bad. Like it was not just that they said it once or twice; they kept saying it, and I was like, no, I can't stay here. Like I was not feeling great, and forget it. Don't mind this mess I made. I guess I'm just going to read for a while, make some tea, be fresh, and yeah, I'm very excited to read it. I read till chapter 4 yesterday and I made notes today. Sitting there, I was doing that. And I guess I'll start from chapter 5. I also ordered 2 more books. And yeah, life is beautiful. Except for some people. Sorry, but yeah. It's still raining. And I guess I'll just make a bit of tea. Oh god. It's literally raining and I love it. I was having tea, so I thought why not just watch a movie for like half an hour or something. And while doing that, I had this sudden urge of watching this particular part of Tare Zameen Par, a part that always makes me cry. And I don't know why I decided to watch it, and I cried again. Like I just watched it for like 30 minutes, like that particular part, not the movie from the beginning. It was the part where Ram Shankar Nikum actually realizes that, oh, this kid has this tiny bit of problem and that he needs a bit of help, and that's all he needs to be in line with everyone else. Like he has his own interests, his own likings, and the song came up. Uh, Basically, the Tare Zameen Par song came up, and I cried. And I was kind of relating that to Jane Eyre, obviously because I'm reading the book now. And so many times adults wrong the children without even knowing, and no one takes them accountable. It baffles me. Like it's 20th century, right? And we are still doing it. It's not the book, it's not the movie. Every day things like this is happening, and even when with so much awareness, so many children go through so much. I have gone through a bit too, not like a lot, but everyone does, and I think it should stop. Yeah, just a bit of yapping. Like I love it when I cry. also like a fun fact. So I was searching for classics because I wanted to read classic. Even this particular book, I have it for like one exact year and I did not read it. I was so intimidated by it. Can you imagine a literature student intimidated by classics? And that is why I've decided to read more classics. So I bought two classics more and they are going to arrive soon. But what I wanted to say is while I was searching for more classics, a few modern classics as well, like something different, I wanted to see the depth in every great writer's thinking process, something that I don't really have, at least at this point in life. And I came across this particular book, which is supposedly the story of our Mr. Rochester's wife, like the dead wife. And the moment I read Mr. Rochester, I was like, I have heard this name somewhere. I came to my book and I'm like, yeah, Mr. Rochester, and then I searched online. Like I have so much fucking time. I searched online and then I got to know that okay, this is like an epilogue some other writer wrote. I'm very sorry, she must be very famous as well, but I forgot her name like right now. And she wrote it for, like from a feminist point of view, from an identity and gender biasness, like that time in our history it something like that was happening, and she wrote it. And I so much wanted to buy it, but I was like, no, I have not yet read the real Mr. Rochester. So what if I grow so fond of him that I would not want to read him as a villain, because somehow the blurb in that book was suggesting that he was the one who killed her for her property. So I'm currently in page number 70. I just completed chapter 6, and it's so cold in here. And I don't know, whenever I'm like sleeping on my bed and reading, I'm just so sleepy. So what? Anyway, so I've been reading and I'm loving it, but I can't wait for her to grow up. Like the blurb literally mentions Mr. Rochester, and I've not yet seen my man. Like, bro, what? But yeah, a new character was introduced, Helen, and I'm guessing she's going to be her best friend, and I feel so sorry for her somehow. But yeah, it's going great. I'm enjoying my time here. But where are you, Mr. Rochester?